I made a post on my Twitter profile and was basically saying the quickest way to improve your credit score is to pay down credit card debt. Now, why do I say this? Because I understand how credit works, and I'm going to teach you how credit works in a few moments. There's 5 components of your credit score. We have payment history, which is 35% of your credit score. We have credit utilization, which is 30% of your credit score. Length of history, 15%. Credit file mix, 10%. And then the last 10% inquiries, okay? Altogether, that's 100% of your credit score. Payment history and credit utilization impact your credit score the most. However, there's only one account that can impact both of those, payment history and credit utilization. Guess what it is? It's a credit card. A lot of you have credit card debt, and instead of you adding more to your credit card debt, you need to take away from your credit card debt, especially if your goal is to improve your credit score. As you pay down your credit card debt, you're going to add a positive payment to your payment history, and your credit utilization is going to minimize. And that's going to allow your credit score to maximize. So the quickest way for you to improve your credit score is to pay down credit card debt. Quit being the person who adds more to their credit card debt. Because one, it's killing your pockets because of interest, and then two, it's hurting your credit score. And if you have goals of buying a house, starting a business, whatever your goal is, your credit is very important. And if those are your goals and credit is blocking you from making those goals a reality, take my advice. Pay your credit card debt down. Now, if you need help with figuring out a plan, or if you have negatives on your credit report that you need help fighting, feel free to learn more about my credit repair service, the 700 Club Credit Repair. Go to the 700clubcreditrepair.com, learn more about what we do, and we can help you get on the right path to the 700 Club. Otherwise, take my advice, do the work, and quit bullshitting. I'm out.